adventure. Hip hooray! Let's have fun and learn today.
Hi friends, welcome back to Gabby's Adventure Time and Learning. Today we're doing shape stamping art. We're going to make colorful art by dipping cookie cutter stamps into paint and stamping shapes onto paper. Are you ready? Let's get stamping and keep on shaping fun. This is our circle stamp, round and smooth. Next, a square stamp with 4 equal sides. Here's a triangle stamp, 3 points and 3 sides. We've got a star stamp with 5 points, a heart for love, and finally, a rectangle, longer sides, shorter sides. Let's start with the circle. Dip it into red paint and press. Watch that perfect round shape appear. Now, let's make a whole row of red circles. What other color would you use for circles? Shout it out. Now it's time for squares. Dip your square stamp into blue paint and press. Let's make a checkerboard pattern. 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares. How many blue squares are on our paper now? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape comes next? That's right, the triangle. Which spot should we fill? The top, bottom, or side? Let me know. Let's put our triangle here. Look at our art so far. Circles, squares, triangles. Now I have a heart stamp. What color should we choose? Pink, purple, or maybe yellow? I heard you say pink. Let's do pink hearts. I love stars in the sky. Let's make our own shaped sky. Dip your star in yellow and stamp away. You can even add a moon or clouds with triangle and circle stamps if you like. Can you count how many stars we've stamped? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's time for freestyle. You can stamp any shapes you want anywhere. Maybe make a shaped castle with rectangles as towers, or a shaped garden with flowers made of hearts and circles. Go wild. Show me your masterpiece when you're done. What did you create? Wow, look at our shape stamping masterpiece. You have circles, squares, triangles, hearts, stars, and rectangles all dancing together in color. You did an amazing job. Did you enjoy stamping? Ask your grown-up to hang your art on the fridge or wall.
With my circle stamped in red, I press it down, round and spread. Red circles dance across the page, shape stamping fun at every stage. Stamp, stamp, let's stamp some shapes. Circles, squares, and hearts escape. Triangles, stars, and rectangles too. Colorful shapes are made by you. My square stamp goes blue today. Checkerboard squares come out to play. Green triangles point up high, building shaped mountains to the sky. Pink hearts, yellow stars in a row. Every shape has a place to go. Mix them up and stamp away. Create your art in a bright array. Stamp, stamp, let's stamp some shapes. Circles, squares, and hearts escape. Triangles, stars, and rectangles too. Colorful shapes are made by you. Stamp, stamp, let's stamp some shapes. Circles, squares, and hearts escape. Triangles, stars, and rectangles too. Colorful shapes are made by you. Colorful shapes are made by you. Keep on stamping, everyone. Keep on shaping fun.
Thank you for stamping with me today. I hope you had so much fun creating shapes with paint. Don't forget to show your artwork to someone special, and we'll see you next time for our Shape Sort adventure. Keep on shaping fun.
See you next time, see you soon. Come back and sing a happy tune. Clap your hands and dance around. Gabby's fun is all around. Bye bye friends, see you next time. Come back and sing a happy tune. Clap your hands and dance around. Gabby around. Clap